In this video, we will set up a custom professional email address for our domain name. Go back to domain management page, scroll down to the email section and click on manage email. From here, click on add user, fill out all the required information and click on add user button. Our custom email address is created and we can access it from this webmail URL. But before it, we need to configure the DNS for this email address. And to do that, go to the Mail drop-down menu and click on DNS configuration. And here you can see all types of DNS records that are needed for the email address to work. We will start by adding MX records to our domain name by using Cloudflare DNS management. Select the type MX from the drop-down menu, go back, copy and paste the host name, then copy the MX entry and paste it into the server field. Set the priority to 100 as mentioned here. Then click on Add Record. Similarly, add all three of them and then refresh the page. After that, we will add the CNAME record. We will only add this one because other ones are for software and we will access our email address through webmail only. So copy this one, select the type CNAME and paste the host name here. Then copy and paste its canonical host value in the domain name. Then click on Add Record. And finally, we need to add both TXT records in the similar way. Selecting the type TXT, adding the name and its value, then clicking on Save and Add Record button. And repeat the process for the second one. After all this DNS configuration, now we should be able to access our email address through webmail. And this is the link to the webmail application. Go to this URL in the browser and you will see this login page. If you don't, then wait for few hours for the DNS to propagate. Now we need the username and the password to log into it. And for that, go back to domain management page and click on manage email. Then click on manage users and select your email address. And here you will see a link to reset password. Click on it. Again, confirm by clicking on the blue button and you will get the new password for your email address. Now we will be able to sign in using this password. So let's go ahead and sign in. As you can see, it is pretty simple user interface. And to test this application, let's compose our first email. Here I will type my own email address to receive this email into my Gmail inbox. Let's quickly give it a random subject and type some text here. And finally, let's click on this blue send button. So the email is successfully sent, as you can see in sent objects here. Now let's check the Gmail inbox. And here it is. As you can see, the email is received. Now we will test it by sending a reply back to it. So we have sent a reply. Let's go back and check the inbox. And we have received the reply successfully. So this webmail application is working really well, but there is a problem. Let's refresh this page and see what it is. As you can see in the left hand side, there is a limited mail quota. And it is only 100 megabytes for the free account, of which 5 kilobytes is already used in sending and receiving just a single email. So that's a lot less. Now either you can spend money and buy the business email service, or keep deleting all unnecessary emails until you only left with 100 MB of necessary emails. But wait, there is a solution for that, through which you can get unlimited space for your emails absolutely free. You can find the link to it in the description of this video. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will going to change the look of our website from this to this professional looking website.